Mary Clarence Quizon.
Hi, my name is Mary Clarence Quizon, and I am the next YouTube star sensation. Why not? I could be like Elsa in the movie Frozen, singing, "Let it go, let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, to my back and slam the door. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. The cold will never bother me anyway. Or dance in the tune of Gangnam Style."
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Yes, I love to entertain people and make them feel relaxed with my talent. I know being a YouTube sensation is not an easy one. I must study first so I will succeed. A YouTube sensation? Well, I can start with a simple one. Please stand and let's dance the Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에보다 서러운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는
Please be seated. See? Have fun because that's an easy one. I am Mary Clarence Quizon and I am having fun now. Now, Herr Ati Greven Ventic, Joel Zarmakaskas, Mario Noli Ligarde IV, Mario Chan Ligarde, Vanessa Marie Matutes, and Carlos Lawrence Rizon for the latest news in communication arts, News Patrol.